My mornings are always quite rushed. From waking up to walking out the door, it is usually around 30 minutes. So having something quick, healthy, and ready to eat really helps. I've been having overnight oats every day for over 3 months now. It keeps me full until midday and gives me steady energy to start my day. All I use is simple: oats, chia seed, oat milk, fruits, honey, Greek yogurt, and sometimes protein powder. I mix everything, give it a quick stir, and leave it in the fridge overnight. By morning, the oats absorb the milk and turn creamy. Chia seeds add fiber and texture, and fruits bring natural sweetness and vitamins. Overnight oats are rich in fiber, protein, and complex carbs, good for digestion and keeping you full longer, perfect for busy mornings. I always like to keep things simple. It is affordable, takes only 5 minutes to make, and never boring because you can always switch up the toppings. For me, breakfast isn't about fancy recipes. It is about starting the day nourished and calm. Small, consistent habits really add up. That's my go-to breakfast. Quick, simple, and keeps me going till lunch. If you try this recipe, do let me know in the comments or share your favorite breakfast idea.